Let's look through some beautiful secondhand buttons together. I'm Bettina Anka. I make clothing pieces from secondhand fabrics and notions, and I recently got a big button collection from another sewist. The buttons came in little boxes and metal tins like this, completely mixed. And then whenever I receive buttons like that, I will pour them all out on the table. I will put on a movie, a podcast, whatever it might be that day, and I will sort through the buttons, seeing if all of them are singles or if there is some matching ones in there. And today I want to show you some of the prettiest ones that I got from this collection of buttons. The ones that I'm going to be showing you are the ones that I have chosen to use in my next collection, which is 70s inspired, so all of them will kind of be more in the brown and yellow tones. These right here are some of my favorites because they're super thick and they just have this very subtle shine to them. There's 3 of them, so they're perfect for like a jacket, for example. Same thing with these. These are wood buttons, which is really nice and in my opinion quite rare to find nowadays. These ones very similar to the first ones, chunky, a little thicker. Then we obviously have some yellow. These are really, really pretty. The size, I'm not going to lie, is a bit of an awkward size because this is not jacket size nor is it button-up size, but I think it might actually be perfect for all of the vests that I have planned, and there's 5 of them, so that is actually a really good number for a vest. 2 different styles of wooden buttons. These right here I'm a really big fan of. I think you can see a pattern. I love myself a nice thick button. And then a lot of kind of roundish buttons. So these right here are blue, they're flatter. And then these are going to be the last 2 that I'm going to show you. Number 1, some really small gold ones. I always like metal ones that are in nice condition. For metal ones, sometimes you get the ones where the color just chips off very easily, and especially if they've been used or if they've been in a tin of buttons for a long time, they just do not look good and therefore aren't usable anymore. These look great. And then lastly are these ones. I usually stray away from this style of button because most of the ones that I get are plastic and the paint is kind of just chipping off at corners, but these are the real thing. These are what those are trying to imitate. This is woven leather, and if you're already going to be using leather, you might as well use it again and again and again so it gets as much life as possible out of it.